Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to actually make some real money with affiliate marketing. With that being said, let's get started. So before we do get started, I do want to let you know that if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you click that subscribe button. Also click that notification bell because that will notify you every time that I put a video out. And you do not want to miss out on that because I put videos out every single day, 7 days a week. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's get into the video and how you can really make some money with affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to go through the basics and exactly what you should do, and then I'm going to give you a golden nugget towards the end that will really help you to actually make some real money instead of making a quick buck here and there. So the very first thing that you want to do is you want to build an audience. I know I say this in like almost all my videos, but some people don't actually understand this and most people don't do anything about it. But building an audience is something that you really need to do. So what you do is you have to start a YouTube channel or a blog. If you don't do any of these two, there are some other ways, but these are the two main ones. If you're good at building an audience on Facebook, by all means do that. But if you don't know anything about like anything, I either start a blog or a YouTube channel. Now, if you want to start a YouTube channel and you're not comfortable in front of the camera, there are two ways to do this. The first way is you just have to get over the fear, do whatever it takes, practice without having the camera on because it really is intimidating at first. When I first started making videos, I wasn't very comfortable at all. So if you practice without the camera actually being turned on, but just speak in front of the camera, it will get you a bit better, and then you can get over the fear and actually filming it. So that's the first way, and I believe this is the best way. If you really want to do this, building a personal brand is something that's so important. Like even the top movie stars are now doing it. Like think of Will Smith, for example. He now has a YouTube channel. Why does he does this? Because he's not stupid. Because building a personal brand is something very important that he just can't do anymore with just being in movies and being paid 100 million to do a movie. So that's the very first thing. You want to get rid of that camera fear. That's the best way to do it. You really should do this. Now, if you don't want to put your face in front of the camera for some other reason, maybe you want to keep your privacy or anything like that, there is another way. The second way is to just not show your face. You don't have to show your face. If you want to do product reviews, if you want to do some drawing, some animations, I've seen a ton of like content that gets a ton of views just like posting about anything but just having some animated drawings, and there is some software online to be able to do this. So if you want to do this, that's completely up to you. It does work. However, if you want to do like makeup tutorials or anything like that, it's going to be a lot harder because obviously you want to show your face. So that's the very first thing. The other thing is if you want to start a blog. If you want to start a blog, that works as well. However, a blog I feel is a lot less relatable to a video because on a video you see people speak, you kind of get to know them in a sense. In a blog it's a lot harder to get that through, and a lot of people are a bit lazier to like read blogs. Like think of it, do you actually read blogs? Now, with that being said, some people actually do this very good, and if you don't have like a ton of text and you have some nice pictures and like look at all the successful blogs and just inspire yourself and obviously put your own twist to it, but this is one of the like you can actually make some pretty good money. There are a ton of people that are making like hundreds of thousands of dollars every month and you don't even see their faces. So that can be a very good thing, but you do have to like think about how you're going to put out your content, because it's kind of a lot harder to get it through than actually just creating a video. So that was one thing. The other thing is something that's, you've probably seen this coming, but it's like a lot of people don't really like that and don't like to hear that. That is that you will have to put content out. If you don't put content out, it's just not going to work. And by putting content out, I really mean a lot of content. I don't mean putting out a video every single like month. I really mean putting out at least, like, the bare minimum would be what, like 2 or 3 videos a week. Like 3 videos a week would be the minimum. And you want to put out as many videos as possible until you get to 1 a day without sacrificing the quality. I always try to put out the best content for you guys, and I do that every day. If you have to sacrifice the quality to like have a video a day, just don't do it. Just keep to 3 videos, 4 videos, it doesn't really matter, but keep the quality up. If you don't have that, people will not subscribe to your channel, because on the other end of your video there is some people, and people actually want to get some value. So if they don't get anything, then they won't subscribe. So you really need some quality. What I mean by quality is, I don't mean like some fancy equipment. I don't mean like having like the 10 people helping you edit the video with some crazy lighting or anything like that. In fact, this video is recorded on a webcam. I've done this on my phone, and there's so many different ways to do this. So don't worry if you don't have the right equipment. What's interesting is not the quality of the production, even though if you do have something good, awesome for you. But if you don't have that, it's completely okay to film something on a webcam and just put out the best content possible. So I talked about value earlier on in this video, and what I really wanted to say is you have to find something that you're really interested in and teach people about it. It doesn't really matter what it is, and I'm not going to go on about this for too long because I talk about this so much, and especially in my later videos. But you have to do something that you're passionate about and just teach people about it. Now, if you want to know more, there's a million videos that I did with that type of content, so I'm going to stop right here on this point. After you've been doing this for a while, you want to start building an email list, because that's just the way to do it. Again, I've done this and I've talked about this in other videos. Some future videos are going to be about this. In fact, I'm filming a video right after this one talking about this. So again, I won't talk about like how to get people on your email list, but you will have to build an email list. So if you're watching this video, it's probably going to be tomorrow's video. And I've talked about this in some other videos, so if you're a subscriber, you probably know what I'm talking about. So just build an email list, that's all I'm going to say. That's very important, because at a click of a button, you will get some money. Basically, that's like, you're going to promote some affiliate offers, and you're going to like send them emails and promote anything. So the golden nugget here is this. If you promote things from Amazon, for example, or there are tons of other companies that do this, Target, no matter what you want to do, there are a ton of like companies that have affiliate offers. Okay, so these offers are very good, especially if you're a beginner. It's awesome. You know, you get like $10 here and $60 here. That's awesome. However, there's one thing that's really, really good, is if you find some big affiliate commissions. Okay, so if you find some big affiliate commissions from like $500 to $2,000 or even more, then you're going to be able to make some proper money. Because look at it this way, if instead of like selling, if instead of selling on Amazon with like making $5 or $10, you sell something for $1,000, that's it. Like, you have to make one sale and you've made $1,000. So if you do one sale every month, you make $1,000 every month. However, if you make 10 sales, there you go, you're making $10,000 every month. And this goes for like 500. Obviously, it's not going to be 10 sales, $10,000, but it's going to be pretty decent. If you don't do that, it's going to be a lot harder to make a full-time income. The second way is another one that is very good, and that is recurring income. If you only make $20 a sale, but you get that every single month, that's very different from getting $20 and making this once every then making one sale and just making one sale. So there are some affiliate offers out there, and by the way, if you go and search on ClickBank, I made a video about this, so just go and just search on ClickBank. You can find the big expensive ones. You can class it by that way. So I won't go into too much detail. You can just look on Google anyways. But if you have some recurring offers, you make one sale, you make $20, but you make that every month, and then you make another one, and that comes every month as well. So you start getting $40, and then it goes on and it just piles up instead of having to make one sale all the time. And that's just like getting a salary, except you're just working for yourself, and it's just passive income because it's just falling on your head, and you make money that way. So these are the two best ways. If you look at these ways, these are the best ways to do that, because if you either make big commissions or you make recurring commissions, these are the best ways, because otherwise you're just going to struggle so much to make some money, and it's going to be taking you as much effort as to from making $2 to making like 10,000 a month. So if you combine the two, that's even better, because you've got the point. You get recurring offers and some big ones, and then you'll start making some real big money. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you found some value, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.